Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the story Miss Slippery from 8th standard English book. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. English workshop Miss Slippery. Warming up. First question. Do you argue with your friends? Why? Answer. Yes. Sometimes I argue with my friends because they use wrong words and tease me. Second question. Do you stop your arguments after some time or continue it for a long time? Answer. No, we stop our arguments after some time. Question number 3. Why do people quarrel or fight? Answer. People quarrel because they have misunderstanding or have different opinions on one subject or topic. Fourth question. Do we forgive or punish our dear ones after their mistakes? Answer. Yes, we forgive our dear ones after their mistakes. Fifth question. What do we feel after a quarrel with dear ones? Answer. After a quarrel with the dear ones, we feel very unhappy, but the spoken words can't come back. So, we shouldn't hurt or quarrel with our dear ones. It may damage our relationship. Next question. Think over the following and tick mark the proper option as per your choice. A. Do your classmates tease, trouble and avoid you? Answer. No. B. Do you with your friends also tease, trouble or give names to any of your classmates? Answer. No. C. How do you handle the teasing? Answer. Complain to teacher. D. How do you handle yourself when punished in class? Answer. Decide to change. E. What is the best way to react when others trouble or insult you? Answer. None of them. Second question. Rewrite using proper punctuation marks and capital letters. A. Amar said, I could not complete my geography homework. 2. Why did you go to Nagpur? 3. The President of India lives at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. 4th. What a loud explosion that was. 5th. Physics, chemistry, zoology and botany are branches of science. Third question. Write in your own words what according to E. Third question. Write in your own words what according to you is the best way to get rid of a negative or bad quality in your friend. Answer. If I find some bad qualities or habits in my friend, I will explain disadvantage of bad habits and also benefits of good habits or qualities.